Welcome to another day of fun and learning. I am Teacher Claire, one of your teacher for today.
So today, we will be learning about our solar system and its planet.
Are you ready to go up to the sky, class? Okay, let's go and see our solar system and its planets.
Solar system is a collection of planets and moons that orbit around the sun, together with smaller bodies in the form of asteroids, meteoroids, and comets.
There are 8 planets that spin around the Sun, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now, let's meet one by one planets in our solar system.
Hi, I'm Mercury. I am the smallest and closest to the Sun. I also have no moons, no rings, and an atmosphere that is thin.
Hi, I'm Venus. I am the second brightest object in Earth's night sky after the moon, and I consist of spheric acid and carbon dioxide.
Hi, I am Earth. I am your unique planet because I have liquid water and land masses. I am known to harbor life.
Hi, I'm Mars. I'm often known as a red planet and the smallest planet in the solar system.
Hi, I'm Jupiter. I'm the gas giant planet and I have 95 moons.
Hi, I'm Saturn. I have a beautiful ring and have about 150 frozen moons.
Hi, I'm Uranus. I'm an ice giant planet with temperature of minus 224 Celsius.
Hi, I'm Neptune. I'm the farthest one from the sun. I am also very cold and my color is blue. Did you understand our lesson for today, class? Very good. This is the end of our lesson for today. Goodbye.